So this is a tutorial, one in many I imagine, of the Bannister software. You can download it in the link in the description. The Bannister software, well, to download it, you go to the link, you go to zip, you download, and then you unzip it wherever, so you can access it. The Bannister software is a life management or self-improvement or all around whatever software. You'll find out for yourself if you download it. So you take the zip, you put it wherever you want it to be. You do extract. And you go into the software, you find Bannister exe, this guy. If you get this annoying thing, you go run anyway. Now, let's say you don't have a user. You create a user. Oh, wait. You do need an account. You create a user. Create a password. Remember me if you don't want to type the password next time. You register. By default, I take it to the diet window because it's a default window and it can show you what the game is. But let's show you the home page first. This is the home page. You basically have the games. This will be introduced in another video, in another video, in another video, in another video, in another video. Log out. Let's go to games. Games is basically anything you want. It can be like diet, exercise, any skill you want to develop, anything you try to improve it or manage. So let's say diet. By default, you have an image of a dragon, but you don't have a dragon defined. A dragon would be your ultimate goal within a game or system or thing in life you're trying to improve at. So let's say in diet, what would be a reasonable sort of ultimate goal, like level 100, the end game, not something you necessarily ever reach, but if you do ever reach, it's like, damn. So for diet, it would be something like eat healthy for 10 years. That should take a while. Oh, and you have to end it with dragon because it's difficult. You have the default image, which in this case is appropriate. You can choose from library in images, which is currently sort of limited, and you create your own image or upload your own image. Okay, so I save it, and I did something wrong. Daragoon into the dragon. Okay, so now the name is edited here. It's also edited here in Active Dragons, but that's not relevant yet. So back to our game. And the game, how the game works? Well, as you see, you start at level 1, and right now it's defined for level 100 to be the final level. And for every level there are EXP, experience points, you need to gain in order to reach the next level. Now, you may ask, well, how do I gain EXP points? Well, that's the thing about this software, it's entirely up to you. What you do is you do add activity. And well, if our goal is to eat healthy for 10 years, what would gain us EXP points toward that sort of a goal? It doesn't have to be some ultimate difficult thing, just a step, a baby step. So let's say we start with don't eat more than 2500 calories in a single day. And you can choose a category or make up a new category, let's say MISC, and you can either gain percent EXP of the next level that is fixed, like 1%, so it's fixed between 1 and 100, so if I say 1%, I will always need 100 applications of this activity to gain one level, which is basically not what you want most of the time, because at level 99 out of 100, I wouldn't want to just be 100 days from the level 100. In this case, it's not that bad because you're anyway sort of close if you're close to 10 years. But if it's something else, you don't want to finish the game doing something easy 100 times. So the default is fix EXP based on level cutoff. The cutoff is the level at which it sort of loses meaning. So at level 20, if that's the default, it will take 100 applications of this to reach level 21. At level 21, it will take even more, and so on, because the EXP gain is fixed at 40 EXP, and each level requires more and more EXP to gain the next level. Start and end date is for you to decide in case you don't want to start right now, but you want to tell yourself to start in a week or maybe to end in a month. So let's say we start today and let's say we end in 30 days. This is just a note for yourself. Won't go over these settings. You do have to tick one of these. Either you want it as a habit, so it's something you just do once in a while. For this, it's sort of something you want as a habit. If you want to cap the calories, like don't eat more than 5,000 calories or something reasonable. And you ask yourself, how long till I want it to become a habit? How long is too long? Well, if it takes more than 30 days, then it took me too long. And in 30 days, the software will ask you, well, how about it? You said 30 days, you're not there yet. Then it asks you, okay, now what? How long till the next time? And it keeps track for you of how many times you postpone it, and it's a way to keep yourself accountable. This is the display. Every EXP award you actually do for the day before. So if this activity was the sort of the activity, let's say, that has no opportunity to be applied Saturday, I would untick not Saturday but Sunday, because on Sunday I would award the XP points for Saturday, but 2500 calories is every day. So we keep them all ticked. You can even choose a certain day of the month, like it's something you do only on the first of the month, the last of the month, whatever. And we can pick an image. Well, on the previous take, I actually showed that you create an image. You go to something like ChatGPT. You tell it something like make vector style image of a man eating a pizza, sweating, nervous, looking at his calorie counter, afraid he's going to run out of his 2500 calories daily allowance. And it makes you a perfect image, of course. And then you pick the image after you downloaded it, and now it appears in the game. Now, let's say I already did it yesterday, so I ask myself, well, how many calories did I eat yesterday? If it's below 2500, well, then I guess I earned this activity. So you click it, you do calculate, and voila. We had 40 XP. They only needed 30 to get into level 2, so we level up. And the point of the game is, well, you pursue your goal, whatever you define, and you do little activities that basically take you there. And you keep adding things that are meaningful. You measure that meaning in EXP. That's entirely up to you, and you figure out how to push yourself, how to keep yourself accountable, and how to constantly progress to a goal with certain habits and activities. That is the point of the software.